Hello, in this video I will show you how to create Zapier and AcademyOcean integration and how to use Google Sheets to invite learners to Academy and to add them to the team. So first of all, we need to go to Settings, AP and Zapier, and create Zapier key. I have one already created, but I'll show you how to do this. It's very easy. Click Create, enter the name, and register it. Here is your client ID and your secret key. You'll need them later. But now let's go to Zapier and create a new Zap. So the trigger will be the Google Sheets event, a new row. Continue. You need to connect our Google account. Then choose Google Sheet, document, the sheet, and continue. Test trigger. So yeah, here we have name, email, and team ID, team name, and team ID. We'll need them later. So here is this document: name, email, and team ID. So continue. Now I choose the event action, AcademyOcean, and I want to give learner access to Academy. Continue. Choose an Academy. So I have already connected it to my Academy. Let's, for example, connect a new. Here I need to enter client ID and the secret and the key. Yes, continue. So registration is finished. And I have a new connection, number 2, but I'll use the first one. So this was just to show how to do it. Okay, continue. Name. Name will be taken from the document. Show all options. Name and the email. And continue. So we have the name and the mail and test and continue. Turn on the yes, turn on. So and that's all. Transfer, yes, I want to transfer. We are waiting. So okay, I'll just send an invitation to. I created an invitation for this learner. So I'll go to manage learners and invites. Yes, here is. Once I invited learner, now I can add him to a team. Because if there is if learner is if there is no invitation for learner to Academy, you can't add him to a team. So we go back to Academy, create manage learners teams, choose in which team I want to add. It will be team A. I go to basic settings, and here I can find the team IP ID. It will be needed for next action in Zapier. So I will copy it and paste here. They're the same. Now I go back to Zapier and want to create a new one. Oh no, maybe I will improve this already existing. So it's not named. I'll change the name and give another action. So now we know that a learner is already in Academy. So we can add him to a team. Basically, when learner is added to Academy, he has no team. So action, give learner, add learner into team. Continue. So again, we need to choose connection. Okay, now we need the email, and we need team ID. So here it goes. And continue. Test. Turn on Zapier. Yes. Okay, let's check. So now there's no learners. Okay, I think it needs some time. I'll make a pause. And I'll be back when it's done. It took some time, and as you can see, the learner is added to a team automatically. So this is the main reason why we use Zapier. So now when I add new learners in this table, they will be added to Academy and added to a team I need. So this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. Bye.